So these are the few control statements which we are going to see today. How to use this variable, how to use this control statement in the shell script. So first one is the variable. Variable is nothing but the uh, character or string that we will use inside the shell script. That we will assign the variable. We will define one variable name and one variable value we will assign. So this is what the variable thing, and another one is a parameter. Parameter is nothing but a special kind of variable that will pause, that will be giving the input of the script. Yesterday we have seen, right, the script will ask for the username and the data directory. So for that parameter we will use the input as a name and the directory name, something like that, right? So that is called the parameter, and we are going to see the if statement. If statement is nothing but if an else condition. If that if condition is meeting the criteria, then it will go to the if spot. Otherwise, it will go to the else spot. Then return statement we are going to see. It is a function. It will return the command which we have mentioned in the function. And for loop. For loop you might have already known in your college itself, for and while. So we'll see the examples of these control statement one by one. Okay. So first let's start with variable. So I have written a shell script for the variable. In that shell script, I have defined the variable name as my variable name and the variable value. This is in that way you are going to define a variable and the variable name. This is my variable name and this is the variable value. Okay. For the variable name value, I am defining the variable value as demo name. It can be a string or number, anything. You can define anything. And this is my another variable variable name age, and this is the variable value. So I have written it. I have printed the word hi, my name is, and then I'm passing the variable name here, and my age is something like this. Okay. So let me execute this command and let's see the output. Okay. So when I execute the shell script, it will fetch the first my variable name. It fetch that name as demo name, which we have assigned to the variable name, variable value, and it will fetch the second value, the variable value 18, fetch that 6 second. So in that way, you can define the variable inside the shell script. Okay. So the next we are going to see is the parameter. How we are passing the parameter with the shell script. Okay. This is the script I have written. So in that, I have written the first argument and say these are the argument or parameter that I'm passing in using the script. We can pass up to 0 to 9 parameters we can pass with the script. I'm going to pass only 3 variables. So while executing the script, uh, I'm passing the 3 parameters. Okay, that I'm going to show you now. this, I'm passing the three parameter 1, 5, and 90. So the output will become like this. The first column is $1 in the above. It will show you. It will show the this is the first argument $1. $1 it will take the first parameter, and $2 it will take the second parameter. $3 it will take the third parameter. Okay. The $0 it represents the name of the script. Okay, and that dollar $PID is taking the PID of the particular script. Whatever the script we are executing, it will take the output of the particular script. And $hash, if you put, it will show the how many number of arguments we have passed with the script. So I have passed the three arguments, so it will show us the three. And the $question mark returns the code. It will last written code. The last written code is 0 for me, so it is written as 0. And $star it will print all the arguments. So whatever the arguments I have passed 1590, it will print. So this is the parameter example script using the shell. So the next script we are going to see is the if else statement.
Krishna, can you just increase the font so that it will be easy for others to see?
Yeah, sure.
Terminal font. Yes, thank you.
Is it okay now?
Yes, it is better. Yes.
So for the for loop, I have written the shell script like this. So I have defined the for in up to 5 I have defined, and that means that, and I'm starting the action before looping from I'm increasing number from from 1 to 5. Okay, so if I execute the number, it will start the script will run up to 5. Okay, the output will be like it will print the number from 1 to 5. So this is the example of the for loop. Okay.
Okay, the same thing when you are running for, let's say, 1 to 100, then you cannot type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot do that. So what you can do is you can simply replace it by a flower bracket. Can you just cat that? Can you just VI that?
Yeah.
VI. Yeah. So here, there, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can simply open a flower bracket. One in is there. One in. One in. Flower open space. Oh, sorry, for I in. Sorry, I in. Let I in. That is fine. You just delete the one. Yeah. Flower bracket. Not this bracket. Flower bracket. Braces. Remove that bracket. Yes. 1 dot dot 10. 1 dot dot 10. 10. Yes. Close it. Now you run it. So this is basically when you want to run for a bigger loop, right? You cannot for one in for I in. Sorry, for I in only. No, close the open the braces. Dot dot close the braces.
One comma.
Don't give space. Don't give comma. Don't give space. One dot dot. Yes. There's something wrong. Basically, because we cannot. Has anybody tried doing that? Because now when you say 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's practically not possible for me to give if I have to say 1 to 1000, right? So we'll have to replace that with another option, that is used to be 1 dot dot 100. Okay. Okay. Why is this 1 dot 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 not working? This is Linux, right? Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
for all Linux, it is going to be the same, not because of the distribution.
I in sequence 1 to 10, something like that we can mention.
No, I think this one.
I in
You can say simply y in one.
one space 10. That's it. Yeah,
Yes, okay, right.
that's
Just
yeah.
display the code to the students,
Yeah, sure.
because we cannot always type all the numbers.
This is the
We need okay, so you'll have to give that as an expression. Okay.
yeah.
Sequence will converted. Okay. Right, so now you can give it for 1000, anything like that. Okay, now have you also given an if condition, Krishna?
No, if the need we can. The
Okay,
next code I'm going to see the
okay, you can proceed, you can
with a
proceed.
simple example, not the
Yes, yes, please
complex one.
proceed. Yes, please proceed. Now, okay, before you proceed, now
Yeah.
for looping statements, you can also use something like while, right? Now, what we have shown is we have shown simply a for
While
loop.
also, yeah.
While also you have shown.
No, I'm not. I'm going to.
Okay, you will show. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
So
Sorry.
this is for the if the else. So if you do your age, and then if your age is greater than or equal 18, then it will print the message saying that you are eligible for voting. Else, it will show the message like you are here, you are in there. If the age is less than or equal 18, so I'm going to run the script. Else. So when I enter my age as 15, it will show you are in. The same thing I'm keeping with the 24 days. It will print you are eligible for voting. So this is the simple example for the if else.
So here, just one point. Now you have to observe that in the if condition, for closing the if condition, we are using fi. So if we reverse it, so reverse is basically which
Yeah,
tells that we are closing it. Okay. So in
yeah,
other languages, we usually either use a flower braces to close it, or we use an end statement to close it. But in shell scripting, we use the opposite. For it's a ROF, right? And for if we use fi, right? So the reverse of it, which basically indicates that uh, the nested condition is over. Okay, the nested condition. Yeah, go ahead.
so this is example of the while statement. Uh, I am assigning a variable name A, and the value of the 0. So I put the condition, the variable name less than less than equal to some 10 up to 10 it will print. Okay, if I am running the while loop, it will print up to the number 10. 0 to 9. You print the 10 numbers. First, you want to say, mention anything here? So, for a while loop. Question?
For loop also. It need not be usually only the what do you call numbers, right? Suppose if you want to display some words, okay, you can still do that. So Krishna, I'm just sending you the code. This one you can just try this. Okay. I don't have a Linux terminal, so.
Yeah, I've made the script on the script, right?
Yes, yes.
This is the thing. It's the output.
Don't see, I think your screen is not shared, Krishna.
Is it?
Yes.
You're able to see it. I don't know how.
You're not able to see your screen. Now it is going. Yeah, it has come up. Yes. Can you just show the script to the audience?
Yeah.
So in this, what we have done is we are not just like looping through numbers. We are doing it. We are looping it through colors. I mean, just an example, right? So it could be an array also there. Okay, it could be an array also there, and the way in which we built an if condition, we built an if condition only with one condition. Now I'm going to do with multiple conditions. I'll just send you a code. I think the R is missing there. Just add the read. So basically, we have written a code to find if the triangle is isosceles, scalene, or equilateral triangle. Can you just go through that? So here we are add the bin bash. Okay, if it is not needed, leave it.
Okay.
Q 555 enter 5. The code then. I think you have not fully copied it. Equilateral, then if then there is some code is there, then statement.
Oh, yeah, correct.
I haven't copied it.
Yes, correct.
So here it means that it is multiple conditions. You're just not just checking one number. You're actually checking multiple conditions to do that.
Something. method operator.
Of triangle of aspects using shell script. Okay, then next one, to create a shell script to display the IP address estimation. 3. Create a shell script to validate if the given IP address is valid. Okay, so you can work on these 3 case studies. You have to use this time and finish it off. Okay, so Krishna, you can just note it down. Who all have created, get their code and note it down. Okay,
Sure.
you can be there on the call. Let them.
I can stop the recording, right? I can stop
you
the
can
recording.
stop the recording and stop the recording. Let them work on